The first $100,000, it's not just hard, it's brutal. And if you're serious about building wealth, you've got to push through it. I'm not sugarcoating this. This is the stage where most people quit, thinking they're making no progress at all. But here's the truth. The first 6 figures is the battlefield that separates the casual dreamers from the serious wealth builders. If you're staring at a balance of $5,000, $10,000, maybe even in the red, it probably feels like you're rolling a boulder uphill while wearing roller skates. Every dollar saved seems tiny. Every gain from investments feels invisible. And honestly, that feeling, it's correct. It's supposed to feel like that. Here's the kicker. The rules of money change dramatically after you hit that $100,000 milestone. Before then, you are the engine. After that, your money starts working like a second, tireless employee who never complains, never takes a day off, and keeps adding to your pile. Let's break it down with numbers. Imagine you're putting $500 aside every month, investing $6,000 a year with a solid 7% return. 5 years in, you've contributed $30,000 from your own paycheck, but your portfolio? It's around $34,500. That means only $4,500 came from growth. 85% of your money is still sweat equity. 5 years of disciplined saving, and your investment barely covers a car payment. This is the danger zone. Most people see these numbers and think this isn't worth it. The temptation is real. You could have spent that $30,000 on travel, gadgets, or a new car. But if you stop here, you're walking away just before the magic happens. Because once you pass $100,000, the math flips. That same 7% return now generates $7,000 a year. Suddenly, your money is pulling weight, matching your own contributions. It's compounding, working in plain sight. The snowball effect is real, and it's about to accelerate. The psychological trap here is brutal too. Early on, your income is usually low, your expenses high, and your portfolio small. Every effort to save feels like a punishment. Your account barely moves. You haven't yet built the identity of someone who invests consistently. That internal battle is just as tough as the financial grind. But here's the truth. Enduring this phase builds financial muscle. Discipline now pays off later. Market crashes won't shake you. Temporary sacrifices become invisible once your money starts working for you. And the first 100K? Think of it as the launch pad, the point where the engine switches from all human power to all power plus compounding. If you can lock in a high savings rate, avoid lifestyle creep, and push every bonus, every windfall straight into investments, you drastically cut down the timeline to that first milestone. 3 to 5 years of focused effort here sets you up for decades of financial growth, and eventually, the $1 million milestone won't feel nearly as impossible. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post personal finance and investment tips videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational and educational ideas. Smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our today's video. Now that you've pushed through the brutal first $100,000, here's where things start to get exciting. Because once you've built that foundation, the math works for you, not just against you. That's the beauty of compounding. The bigger your portfolio, the faster it grows. Your money starts doing the heavy lifting, and your role shifts from engine to navigator. Let's go back to our example. With $100,000 invested at a 7% return, you're already earning $7,000 a year without adding a single dime. Keep investing $6,000 a year, and after 20 years, your portfolio isn't just a reflection of your savings, it's doubled. Over half your net worth now comes from growth, not from your paycheck. That's the snowball effect in action. The mental shift here is just as powerful. The struggle to save your first 6 figures teaches you patience, discipline, and financial strategy. By the time you're past 100K, you're hardened, educated, and capable of making smart moves that most people never even consider. You've crossed a threshold that 90% of people never reach, and that changes everything. Here's why the next $1 million feels easier. 1. Exponential growth. Each subsequent 100K adds more to your portfolio than the last. Going from 100K to 200K takes less time than 0 to 100K. 200K to 300K? Even faster. By the time you're approaching 7 figures, your money is growing in leaps instead of inches. 2. Psychological advantage. You're no longer starting from 0. You've built habits, financial resilience, and an identity as an investor. Market dips don't scare you, lifestyle inflation doesn't distract you, and you know the rules of money now. 3. Leverage of returns. The first 100K is mostly you working. The next million is mostly your money working. Once the snowball has mass, gravity takes over. You just steer. Here's a mental model to keep you on track. Phase 1, the muscle phase, 0 to 100K. Discipline over returns. Build habits, save aggressively, and push through the grind. Phase 2, the snowball phase, 100K to 500K. Growth becomes visible, compounding kicks in, and your money matching your efforts. Phase 3, the acceleration phase, 500K and above. Your portfolio moves in tens of thousands while you sleep. Now, money truly becomes your tool, not your master. So if you're in that grueling first stage, don't get discouraged. Every dollar you save, every habit you build, every side hustle you grind through is laying the foundation for freedom later. That first $100,000 is hard, yes, but it's also the key that unlocks the rest of your financial journey. Remember, the first milestone is a test of discipline. The next milestones are a test of patience. Nail the first one, and the rest start to feel like autopilot. Here's my challenge to you. Assess where you are. Are you still building the muscle, or have you reached the snowball phase where your money is finally starting to work for you? Comment below, and let's see who's in the grind and who's seeing the magic happen. If this video gave you clarity on the hardest financial milestone and how to conquer it, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your first 100K may be tough, but with the right approach, it's not just possible, it's inevitable.
It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please, once again, I ask you to consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.